point where people are saying that David Livingstone was the first man or the person that discovered the Victoria Falls. Here we just wanted to show you that there is evidence that there were people who were living here before he came. All the way from early Stone Age to Iron Age, there are some artifacts that were discovered in this place that actually prove that there were people as far as millions of years ago who lived in this area, including the Kololo people that David Livingstone found, who actually took him to the Livingstone Island, where he saw the Victoria Falls for the very first time. So David Livingstone did not discover the Victoria Falls, but he made them famous, and some say he's the first European to actually see the Victoria Falls. But evidence also suggests that the Portuguese might be the ones that were the first white or Europeans to see the Victoria Falls, because they've got drawings of the Victoria Falls from long back before David Livingstone even came to this place. Okay. So we are going to see the statue of David Livingstone. David Livingstone was a Scottish explorer and doctor. He died in Zambia. His heart was buried in Zambia. His body was taken to the Westminster Abbey, where he was buried. Okay, so we are also going to have an opportunity to see how the bridge, the Victoria Falls Bridge, was actually constructed. We are going to see it also from a vantage point. So these are the journeys of David Livingstone. First journey in red, second journey in green, then third journey in purple.
Okay.
Victoria Falls that we are going to see. We are here, which is the entrance. So we are going to go and start from the Devil's Cataract, where we said the ninth fall we believe is going to cut through from there. Cutting across, that will be about 1,500 years from now. Then we are going to come back and see all these other viewpoints all the way to the danger point. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? So the Zambezi River is the fourth longest river in Africa. We have got the Congo, the Nile, the Niger, to the Indian Ocean. So there are many times where you can come to the Victoria Falls and experience the Victoria Falls. High water season, low water season. So here we consider this season low water season, but it's starting to fill up. This is in September. It's low water season, high water season starting June. So there are advantages and disadvantages of coming during different seasons. If you come during the low water season, the water, there's little water flowing, but you can see everything. Visibility is good. But when you come during the high season, yes, there is a lot of water, but you are not going to see much of it because of the mist. So it is the time that we are going in now is actually the best time to see the Victoria Falls, because it's in the mid point whereby you can actually see and also have a lot of water. See some of these beds inside the Victoria Falls. We might see this is one of the beautiful beds that you can see here. It's called the Livingstone Turaco. Then we might see also the trumpeter hornbill, some of the mashai, the white-throat robin. You can also see all these beds. Remember the flower that I was talking about, the flame lily, is also there in the Victoria Falls, but because it's not in bloom, so you might not see it, including the fireballs and all other flowers that you see here. Animals, of course, you might see the wattle or the bushbuck, the monkeys, the mongoose. These are the animals that you might see.
And you can see monkeys.
We have got rules here in the national park. Things that you can do, things that you cannot do. So littering is prohibited. You stick to these prescribed pathways. You don't cross barricades. There are barricades that are there at the courts. You don't cross them. You don't pick anything from the park. You don't feed animals. You don't cause fires. These are the basic rules that we have in the national park.
At least about some they do 4 days, some they do 7 days. And join the camp, then tomorrow morning they proceed to a different area. Yeah, I used to Còn cái bò này thì chốt còn
Yes. How are you? Are you enjoying Victoria Falls?
Yeah.